Manifestation Journal Guide, what it is, how to start one, and how it can transform your life. Welcome to this in-depth guide on manifestation journals. In today's video, we're going to explore what a manifestation journal is, how you can start one, and how it can have a transformative impact on your day-to-day life. By the end, you'll understand why this tool is so powerful and how to use it effectively to attract wealth, love, success, and overall abundance. What is a manifestation journal? A manifestation journal is much more than a simple notebook or diary. It's a dedicated space where you channel your thoughts, intentions, dreams, and emotions to align with the life you desire. Think of it as a tool to bridge the gap between your current reality and the future you're working to create. Manifestation journals work hand in hand with the law of attraction, a principle that states that our thoughts and energy create our reality. Writing in a manifestation journal helps you clarify your desires, eliminate mental clutter, and reinforce the beliefs needed to achieve your goals. This practice is not just about writing down your dreams. It's about visualizing them, feeling the emotions of achieving them, and creating a focused, intentional pathway for them to become your reality. Whether you want to manifest financial success, improved relationships, personal growth, or better health, your journal becomes a personal blueprint for your journey. How to start a manifestation journal. Starting a manifestation journal is a simple but intentional process. Follow these steps to get started. 1. Choose your journal. The first step is to select a journal that resonates with you. It can be a simple notebook, a fancy journal with inspirational quotes, or even a digital journal if you prefer. Choose something that feels special, as this will become a sacred space for your manifestations. 2. Set your intentions. Before you begin, take a moment to think about what you want to manifest. Your intentions might be big, like owning your dream home, or small, like having a productive day. Whatever they are, be specific. For example, instead of saying, "I want more money," say, "I want to attract $10,000 in the next 6 months through my business and investments." 3. Create a journaling routine. Consistency is key to making your journal effective. Dedicate a specific time each day to write. Many people find mornings to be the best time to set intentions for the day, while evenings are great for reflection and gratitude. Treat this as a non-negotiable part of your day, just like brushing your teeth or eating a meal. Use powerful writing techniques. When writing in your manifestation journal, focus on these proven techniques. Write in the present tense. Always frame your goals as if they've already happened. Instead of writing, "I want to be happy," write, "I am so grateful for the happiness and peace I feel every day." Be specific. The more detailed your intentions, the better. Instead of saying, "I want a new job," write, "I am so grateful for my new job at company name, where I earn $80,000 per year and work with an amazing team." Visualize while writing. As you write, close your eyes and picture yourself living the life you're describing. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings as vividly as possible. Express gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of manifestation. Write down things you're grateful for, both big and small, as if they're already yours. For example, "I am grateful for the love and support I feel from my partner." Use prompts for clarity. If you're unsure where to start, use prompts to guide your journaling. What does my dream life look like? What are 3 things I am grateful for today? What specific goals do I want to achieve this month? What steps can I take today to align with my desires? How will I feel when I've achieved my dreams? How a manifestation journal transforms your life. A manifestation journal has profound effects on your day-to-day life. Here are the key ways it creates transformation. 1. Increases clarity. By writing down your desires and goals, you gain clarity about what you truly want. This prevents you from being overwhelmed by distractions and allows you to focus your energy on the things that matter most. 2. Enhances positivity. Manifestation journaling shifts your mindset from lack to abundance. By focusing on what you want and expressing gratitude for it as if it's already yours, you cultivate positivity, which attracts more positive experiences into your life. 3. Boosts motivation. Writing about your dreams and visualizing your future inspires action. You'll naturally feel more motivated to take steps toward your goals because you've already seen yourself achieving them. 4. Reprograms your subconscious. Your subconscious mind plays a huge role in creating your reality. When you consistently write about your desires in a manifestation journal, you're reprogramming your subconscious to align with those desires. This alignment makes it easier to attract the opportunities and people needed to make your dreams come true. 5. Builds a gratitude practice. Incorporating gratitude into your journaling helps you recognize the blessings you already have. Gratitude raises your vibration and signals the universe that you're ready to receive even more abundance. 6. Creates tangible results. Over time, you'll notice how your written goals begin to manifest into reality. By regularly reviewing your journal, you'll be amazed at how much progress you've made and how many dreams have come true. Tips for success: be consistent. The more often you write, the stronger your focus and intention will become. Stay open. Sometimes, your manifestations may come in unexpected ways. Trust the process. Let go of doubt. Believe in your ability to manifest and in the universe's power to deliver. Celebrate wins. When your desires come to fruition, write about them and celebrate. This reinforces your belief in the power of manifestation. Conclusion. A manifestation journal is a powerful tool that helps you create the life you've always dreamed of. By setting intentions, writing consistently, and focusing your energy, you'll begin to attract wealth, love, abundance, and anything else your heart desires. If you're ready to start your journey, grab a journal and begin scripting your dream life today. The future you've been envisioning is closer than you think. It all starts with one written intention. What's the first thing you'll manifest in your journal? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to transform their life. Let's manifest greatness together.